Starting tonight, a winter storm system will be arriving, moving through the region, creating some freezing rain and some rain and even some snow across the highest peaks across the mountains. So we have winter storm alerts starting in place tonight at 7 o'clock, continuing throughout our Thursday. Winter storm warnings in pink, winter weather advisories in the purple for northern portions of the upstate. This will represent spotty freezing rain for the morning hours, especially for the very early morning hours. We'll talk about the timing coming up in just a little bit, but we will see significant ice accumulation across the western North Carolina. We could be dealing with about a glaze of ice to about 1/10 of an inch for northern portions of the upstate. For western North Carolina, we could check in around 1/4 of an inch of ice accumulation. Any ice whatsoever, though, is very dangerous, especially if you are trying to drive, just because there's no traction. So if you can stay home tomorrow morning, definitely do so. It's all thanks to this cluster of rain and freezing rain impacting the Lone Star State, Louisiana, and currently moving across the Tennessee Valley. Right now, it's the calm before the storm locally as we just have clouds increasing throughout the day, light hours. So here's a look at 5 p.m. Still holding on to a partly cloudy sky, but these clouds will filter in very quickly by 10 o'clock, and arriving with those clouds is the rain. Rain will be moving across the upstate for the morning, for the overnight, I should say, and the morning. Freezing rain at this point. This is look at midnight, already seeing freezing rain impacting western North Carolina, and we will be having a short window of freezing rain for northern portions of the upstate, favoring I-85 and points north through the escarpment into western North Carolina. That's going to be the best locations to receive this freezing rain. Now, the good news is by 5-6 a.m., we will quickly change over to all rain showers. But here's the caveat: as our temperatures are going to be fluctuating throughout the morning hours, we could change over back to a little bit of freezing rain for the late morning into the early afternoon before we just have scattered rain showers across the area as we go through your Thursday afternoon onward into your Friday morning. So here's a look at your ice potential Thursday morning. Again, ice is likely at this point in western North Carolina for northern portions of the upstates. It's going to be a combination of freezing rain and some plain old rain showers, but the rain is going to be problematic as well, as we will be having ponding out on the roads, as it's going to be the heavy and soaking rainfall, especially throughout the upstate. So temperatures today, 49 in the upstate. Then we're going to be dropping down into the lower 40s for Thursday, back to the 50s for Friday. Fast forward to the weekend, it's going to be gorgeous, seeing the sunshine. Temperatures back in the 50s for the mountains, 44 today. Again, holding on to that sunshine. Then that rain and that rain-snow mix with some freezing rain will arrive on Thursday, continuing through the morning, changing over to all rain by the afternoon. And we will see the highest peaks seeing a little bit in terms of lingering snow shower activity before we dry on out over the weekend. I'll send it back to you.